Okay guys, so I'm showing you a little tutorial on how to blend something like this. These are two colors right here and you feel like there's a separate line here. How to blend it like this, you know, feels like the two colors are kind of like intertwining together in some sort of sense. So first let me tell you about my settings here. I have a layer, as you can see. Here's this, I just hid this layer. Here's my main layer here. This is layer 2. If I remove it, yep, you get the idea. The layer is set at normal, right here, with optimicity 100%, 100%. And here's my second layer, or my other layer. As you can see here, like this. So here it is. This is the second layer which I added, and this one, well, since I was using like this color, if I show you, I was using this color and I was using multi. So multi is something like this. If I choose this, and I have here, like, look at the color here, blue here, and then if I go example like this, it is exactly like adding an extra or adding another layer of the blue color, so I don't need that. Anyways, I am going to show you how to, if I just, you see how this thing fades, so I'm going to show you how to make this part fade into the lighter blue. So if you are having, like, for example, a sky view, oops, sorry, if I go back a little bit, you see how it blends, and you see how this works. This kind of feels, or this part kind of feels like a sea. See, like a sea in the sky. But since the sky had different shadings or different types of blues, and you want to blend it together like this, first you're going to choose this tool, and this tool is called the Spot Healing Brush Tool. Okay, the Spot Healing Brush Tool, and here's the settings, my settings at least. This is how I ended up. Spacing 17%, hardness. Now I don't know what spacing is, to tell you the truth, but hardness is how soft or hard your brush is. I'm keeping it to 0 because this is the most softer degree. Sharper, it is exactly really sharp. So I'm keeping the hardness at 0, and the diameter is how big you want your brush tool to be, like, as you can see here. I'm just giving you examples. Now I'm going to go for just a, well, 30 for now, because I don't like using big sizes in here, you know, something like this size. And what I'm going to do is, remember, I'm a third layer right here, so I am going to go for the lighter color, not the darker one, not this one, but this color, the lighter color. I'm gonna use my tool, and I am gonna go something like a zigzag like this. Don't worry, it's black, but it will turn out something like this. So it's not really the right way which was done here. You see, I will not touch the end here or here. I'm just gonna work just barely touching, and quite a zigzag-ish line, and I'm gonna keep working the zigzag-ish line without touching the ends over here, and I'll keep doing that until I feel it kind of blended together. So you see, I keep working on different zigzag lines until it starts to blend or starts to fade more. As you can see here, it is fading and fading and fading less. So it is, what am I doing is making the color kind of lighten up until it gradually disappear. And you can also do something else if you like. Now if you go to the darker color, we're gonna blend this part up a bit, and we're going to use that tool, the same tool again, and again, barely touching, and just, what am I doing here is I'm blending the darker color up here with the lighter one down here, so it will kind of like join in some sort of sense, or how should I say this? I guess you can say joins in the fading degree or something. I don't know, but you can see what happens over here if I just make this layer disappear. What am I doing is I was trying to blend in the lighter tone with the darker tone, which I just made in some sort of sense in order to get this kind of feeling. So this kind of worked with me in layers, and as I go back like this, you see the colors have kind of blended in right here. There was no, that previous line kind of disappeared. And you can really try it out as much as you like. You know, I just found this after I was drawing this picture and I wanted to make a sky. But then I just faced a little problem in which like there was lines and I needed the lines to disappear, so I came up with this, or I tried this different type things and I came up with this type of way, and it is really useful. It really also has a nice effect. So that is it. I will see you in another tutorial, so see you later, bye.